Hey guys, so we're going to be doing this compound interest question, and this seems really difficult, but once we understand the formula to do this, then this will be super easy. Okay, let's do this question. So, Tamsin buys a house with the value of this. The value of Tamsin's house increases by 4% each year. This is very important. Rachel buys a house with a value of... The value of Rachel's house increases by 1.5 each year. At the end of 2 years, whose house has the greater value? Okay, so we must know after 2 years, what's the value? And this is actually really simple. So let's start with Tamsin. So at the start, that's the value of our house. And each year, if it increases by 4% each year, we do 100% plus 4, because we're adding 4%, 104, and we divide that by 100. And you get 1.04 is your multiplier. And because it's each year, this is the amount of years, n is just the amount of years. That's your formula to do this question. If it says increases, then you add 100, let's say by 5% each year. 100 plus 5, because you're increasing it by 5%. You're increasing the 100% by 5%, or you're increasing the 100% by 6%. That's why you do that, and then you divide by 100. If it says decreases by 5%, if it says, cross this out, if this works with me, bear with me. If it says decreases by 10%, let's say, then you get 100% minus 10, and you divide that by 100, and you times it by 90, like 0.9. If it's decreasing by 10%. Okay, so hopefully that clears percentages or interests up. So you do that. That's your equation. Now for Rachel, the value at the start is that, and if it increases by 1.5, you add 100 because it's increasing, and you divide by 100. By 100. So 1.015 is your multiplier for this question, for this equation, and n is the amount of years. So let me just roll this all out. And at the end of 2 years, it asks at the end of 2 years, which has the greater value. So you are going to put 2 here. That is going to give you the number of years. And that should be around 1,62240. And then for Rachel, it's 1,622. 16. Oh, that's the other answer. 4,836. Okay, which one is greater? It's obviously going to be Rachel. So your answer is Rachel. And this question can be very easy if we identify the keywords, hence why I highlighted it. Increases by 4% each year, which means you add your percentage to 100 because it's increasing your percentage, and your already percent is 100, and if it's increasing, you're adding 4 to your original. If it decreases, you're minusing from the original, and then you divide by 100. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me tell you what question or what topic you'd want to do next. Bye.